Hey guys, I found the cutest nativity scene that fits in any size home. I did take 5 minutes to do a little paint job to it just to make it my own. I'll show you what I did and how it came out. Let's get right to it. This is super cute and it was only $9.99 at Publix, all metal. As you noticed in this picture, some of the areas of the nativity scene weren't as defined as I'd like it. I wanted the silhouette to really stand out at night. I used one of my favorite black craft paints from Dollar Tree, but you can use any color that fits into your aesthetic. Use a thin paintbrush so you can get into all the little crevices of the nativity scene. I love how all the individual characters are clearly defined, and it only took me 5 minutes of time. Completely worth it. And so very easy. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. See you next time.